What is up, YouTube? It's your homeboy Josh back with another video. So for today, we're gonna be talking about Bubble IO and Flutter Flow. So basically, what is or what are these two? What do they do? So they are providers of programming languages and custom code integration. So now let's go with Flutter Flow right here first. It's very. I just want to say this is a very beautiful website for me. I mean, just look at it. It's clean. It's very attractive. And it's very friendly to the eyes. So Flutter Flow offers various features that its users find beneficial. The ability to customize code and design custom widgets using Flutter packages from pub.dev is one such notable feature. It also promotes code reusability with the option to export an applications or widgets Flutter code for future projects. So moving on, Bubble.io, I mean, is also I'm shocked because these websites look really good. So anyway, Bubble.io, being a proprietary no-code platform, does not provide the same flexibility regarding code exportation or migrating to other platforms. However, it shines in other areas, including database scalability, server capacity, and custom code integration, which can be extended further with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS for additional customization and functionality. Now, this platform is designed to facilitate the creation of fully functional and scalable apps without the need to migrate to another platform. So going back, we're going to talk about Flutter Flow's features first. Go back to this website right here. So these are the features of Flutter Flow. First is responsive design. I mean, the YouTube landing page itself is already screaming that one. And they have pre-built components, they have payment solutions, authentication, drag and drop builder. As you can see, it's demoed here on their landing page. Template screens, Firebase integration, state management, deployment options, custom functions and widgets, third-party integrations, GitHub integration, versatile coding tool rather. So that is a lot of features for Flutterflow, which will be very beneficial if you were to use Flutterflow. Now, on the other hand, Bubble.io provides various features for seamless app development. So let's see. First is code-free design. This is one of the best features that Bubble.io really puts the spotlight on. I mean, it's really it's one of the best selling points that Bubble.io has because honestly, I have tried using Bubble.io before, and it was really a breeze because I'm not a code guy. I don't know any programming language, and when I tried to, I just like out of boredom, I was actually trying to think maybe like how does it feel to create an app if you were a person who doesn't know any code, doesn't know any programming languages, but you have the idea of what you want to do. I mean, does that make sense? Like, I want to do something. I want to create something, but I don't have the knowledge for it. I don't have the knowledge to create it from scratch, like do all the coding and stuff because I really don't know any of those. And then Bubble.io really helped me out there, and it was a successful application. Although it wasn't ever released, I just really made it out of boredom. So the next feature that they really emphasizes built-in message boards, multilingual support, e-commerce features, user management, collaboration, mobile-friendly layouts, and dynamic content. And so basically, they Bubble.io has some features that are really different from Flutter.io. Although they have some similarities, but you can see the difference. I mean, it's not really that similar. So, um, they can be compared with both of these software or websites can be compared with the SEO categories, ease of use and learning curve category, template and design capabilities, cross platform support, and scalability and performance, AI integration features. This is one of the features that are really being um, developed for almost every app, like AI integration. Then they have a lot of integrations actually, and let me see. Yeah, Bubble.io has a lot more integrations than Flutter Flow. I just realized that when I was reading my notes right here. So actually, I want to talk about the pricing. This will be the last part. So, there are plans: starter, basic, business, enterprise, and free trial. So for Bubble.io, the starter plan is free until you launch your app. So for the basic plan with Bubble.io, that's $32 per month. Business would be $134 per month. Enterprise is $399 per month. That's for Bubble.io, and they have a free trial offer of 10 days free trial. Now for Flutterflow, the starter plan is free. Everything is free. Basic plan for Flutterflow would be $22. Business would be $50. Enterprise would be $50 per month. Then they offer a 14-day free trial. Now, just to wrap up this video, the pros and cons of these companies right here. So the Flutter Flow pros and cons: excels at creating native apps with seamless integration of native functions. You can launch your app on app stores and is simplified as it produces native apps. Superior transitions improve user experience that allows a clean code exporting and importing. Firebase integration for faster app performance and seamless service interfacing. Build once and deploy on multiple platforms. Very good pros right there. However, on the other side, Flutterflow cons: requires an alternative backend for additional backend logic. If you decide to use Firebase as a backend, Firebase pricing applies. However, Supabase offers fewer features, and Flutterflow requires you to choose between the two. No automatic feature updates necessitating manual reconstruction and upload for updated apps. Occasional browser lags may cause screen recreation. Has a steep learning curve, particularly for customizing application logic, and lacks pre-made design templates. It doesn't support sub-collections in Cloud Firestore. Requires financial investment for the platform and App Store, which could burden smaller business or individuals. Firebase has limitations on filtering data, potentially increasing Firebase costs, such as the inability to easily retrieve data between the two dates, requiring retrieving all items from the start date and filtering locally in the app for the end date. Now, on the other hand, we have Bubble.io right here. So Bubble.io speeds up web application development and deployment compared to traditional coding. Offers diverse customization options and integrations, generous free trial option for comprehensive testing before commitment, boasts an active supportive community with new templates, plugins, and free assistance, simplifies creating full-stack online apps with instant updates, visual programming, and drag and drop features, reduce development time and problems, seamless integration with plugins and third-party services. Now, lastly, for the Bubble.io cons: limited control over code due to the hosted platform. Responsive design can pose challenges and may require expertise. Dependence on plugin for native functionality and limitations in scalability and maintenance. Has a complex learning curve, particularly for beginners. Doesn't support code exporting or transitioning to another platform, requiring a fresh start. So basically, hearing all of those vital information about Bubble.io and Flutterflow, you will now be deciding which one should you choose. Should you choose Flutterflow, or should you go for Bubble.io? Now, it's a very easy decision, though it may seem daunting at first, but you just have to simply align all of those that I've talked about. Like, you just have to, like, simply make a checklist. If you need these features, what services do you need? What are your personal preferences, your strategies, your plans? What type of project are you doing? So that if all of those checks out with the features and the functions and the benefits that Bubble.io or Flutterflow offers, whichever has the most green lights or the most checks on you, you should go for that. And that's how you make the decision in choosing between Flutterflow or Bubble. So that's all for today's video. I hope you learned a lot. Please do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button, and also the notification bell for a lot of more videos like this. This is your homeboy Josh, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.